Hi guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and we are going to prepare some real Jamaican fried chicken. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. So here I have my chicken and it's already cleaned and washed. So basically we're gonna go ahead and start seasoning our chicken. Now I went in, as you can see, and I added some paprika. You can add any amount of paprika that you want. I will also add a small amount of my garlic salt, and I will also go in and add some black pepper, and of course I'm gonna add some of my chicken seasoning to this. Now all of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get it at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. You can visit your local meat shop, and of course you'll get chicken there as well. Just in case you guys have any other seasoning that you want to add to your meat, you can always go ahead and do so. Once I add all of that powdered seasoning, I will go in, of course, use my hand to just combine everything together nicely, because you want to ensure that your chicken is nicely seasoned. Once it's seasoned nicely, I will cover it, put it to the side for roughly about an hour to an hour and a half. Now you can always go ahead and have this amazing real Jamaican fried chicken with some rice and peas. You can have it with white rice, you can have it with potato, yam, dumpling, whatever you have at home. So now it's time to go ahead and of course start frying the chicken. I have my Dutch pot, of course, with my vegetable oil, and I'm gonna add the chicken to the flour, and basically it's flour in the bag with the seasoning that I added earlier to my chicken. And once I coat my chicken nicely in that flour, I will dust off any excess, and then I'm gonna add it to the hot oil. Now you want to ensure that your chicken is fried nicely until golden brown, and you want it to fry on both sides and cook on the inside properly. So about 10 to 11 minutes and your chicken should be all ready. Remember not to turn up your stove on high heat. Medium heat is perfect. Again guys, remember to dust off any excess flour from your chicken, and remember to season your flour nicely with all of the season that we used earlier. And you can always go ahead and check the description box and you will see all of the ingredients that I'm using today. And just in case you guys want to add any other seasoning, just in case you want to add anything else to your chicken, you can always go ahead and do so. Like I said, you guys just have to be creative, and you just have to be you in the kitchen and just utilize whatever you have at home. Now guys, I do have a recipe on my channel for rice and peas. I have a few recipes that is. You can always go ahead and check that out, just in case you want to prepare rice and peas with your chicken. And for me, I'm going to make up some amazing gravy for my fried chicken. So I'm going to use the same season from the chicken. I will add some ketchup, some barbecue sauce, some scotch bonnet pepper, and some water. Combine all of that goodness together, and then I'll just put it on the stove to cook down until it's thickened. Then I will pour it all over my chicken once it's finished cooking. So now we're gonna flip the chicken over on the other side. Like I said, you want all sides to be nicely cooked, and you want it to be golden brown as well, and you want the inside to cook perfect. All right, so once you flip it over on the other side, we're just gonna allow it to cook, and once it's finished cooking, it should look something like this. So we're just gonna take up all of that chicken nicely and ensure that you drain off any excess oil from your chicken, and we're just gonna place it on the plate. And of course, if you have a paper towel at home, you can line your plate with paper towel. And I'm gonna chop up my chicken in some smaller pieces and serve it up with some rice and peas and pour the gravy all over, and come back and show you guys the final product. Stay tuned guys for the final product of this amazing fried chicken. Look at it. And there you have it, guys, the final product of my amazing fried chicken. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe, and I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think about this amazing recipe. We're on our way to 10K subscribers, guys. Help me get there by subscribing, sharing with your families and your friends. Tell them about Kali J's Kitchen, and let's get there together. Guys, I appreciate all of you, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow in my kitchen. Bye.